Problem number 17 says in this figure, lines M and N are parallel. Transversals, which is a fancy word that means lines that cross, parallel lines, R and S intersect to form an angle of measure of x degrees and two other angle measures as marked. What is the value of x? So what we want to do is they want to figure out what this angle is here, because that's x, and the only thing they give us is this information. This is 65 degrees, and this is 100 degrees. And we're supposed to figure out x. Well, there's a couple of ways you could do that. What I would try is that what do you guys remember about vertical angles? First of all, do you remember what vertical angles are? Huh?
Yeah.
When two lines cross, the angles opposite each other are vertical angles. What do you know about those? They're congruent. So that means that this angle right here, and we'll just call it angle B, is congruent to x. Now here's an interesting thing. If I take and I draw and connect these three lines, what do I have? Triangle. What's the sum of the interior angles of a triangle? 180, always. Now I've got one of them, which is 65. Can I get this other one? What is that other angle? 80. That's correct, but where'd you get it from? Yeah. This straight line is 180 degrees total, so since this is 100 degrees, that means that this angle right here must be 80. So if I take 180, that has to be equal to 65 degrees plus 80 degrees plus B, or 180 is equal to 145 plus B. If I subtract 145 from both sides, I end up with what? 35. And that's angle B, but because it's a vertical angle, that's also angle X.